If you are looking for a no-code database to organize projects, automate workflows, or manage business data, you have probably come across Airtable. But is this still the best option in 2026? Let's find out. What is Airtable? Airtable is a cloud-based platform that combines the simplicity of spreadsheets with the power of a relational database. You can use it to manage projects, build CRMs, track inventory, plan content, and much more, all without writing code. Key features. One of Airtable's biggest strengths is its flexible database structure. You can create linked records, customize fields, and switch between different views like grid, calendar, Kanban, timeline, and gallery. It also includes built-in automation, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks such as sending emails, updating records, or notifying your team. Another major advantage is its integrations. Airtable connects with tools like Slack, Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, Zapier, Make, and many other popular business apps. In 2026, Airtable also continues to expand its AI features, helping users summarize data, generate content, and automate workflows faster. Pros. Airtable is extremely easy to use, even for beginners. It's highly customizable, making it suitable for individuals, startups, and larger businesses. The collaboration features are excellent, allowing teams to work on the same database in real time. It also has a strong automation system and a large ecosystem of templates and integrations. Cons. The free plan has limitations, especially for growing teams. Advanced features and larger storage limits require paid plans, which can become expensive. And while it's powerful, Airtable isn't designed to replace a full enterprise database for highly complex applications. Who should use Airtable? Airtable is a great choice for marketers, content creators, project managers, sales teams, operations teams, and small to medium sized businesses looking to organize data without coding. However, if you are building highly complex applications or need enterprise level database performance, you may want to consider more specialized platforms. Final verdict. So is Airtable the best no-code database in 2026? For most users, yes. Its combination of ease of use, flexibility, automation, AI features, and integrations makes it one of the strongest no-code database platforms available today. If you need a powerful yet beginner-friendly solution for managing data and workflows, Airtable is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful and useful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more software reviews and comparisons. And goodbye.